Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to put accent below number letters in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to put accent below letters. Go to the insert menu. Then click symbol option, then choose more symbol. Now we can see here many accent letter and below. Now we choose any letters and insert it. Now we can see here we put that accent below letter very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.